Hi, I'm Julia from the MIT Museum, and I want to invite you to join in our next Virtual Idea Hub. This is our live webinar featuring an engineering challenge that we will work on all together, building with simple materials in our own homes. We'll have a guest builder from the MIT community, so we'll get to talk to them about what they do, and you'll have a chance to ask questions and share what you're working on. This week's challenge is one of my favorites. It uses such simple materials, but it has huge creative possibilities. We're going to do paper engineering. So we're going to make playful pop-up cards. We're going to learn a couple of simple pop-up folds. Here's an example. This just uses two simple types of pop-up folds. And this actually only uses just one type of fold. If you add a lot of decoration, it looks pretty fancy. So all you need to do to join us is gather some materials ahead of time and register for free. The materials you'll need are heavy paper. Cardstock works best. I also found some old manila file folders. Those will work fine too. Any color. Scissors, a pencil with an eraser. You'll need a ruler with markings and numbers on it. It doesn't matter if it's inches or centimeters. And tape. Clear tape works great. You can also use masking tape, which is especially good for just prototypes that you're gonna adjust a lot. Optional is double-sided tape or glue, Elmer's glue, glue stick. And of course for decoration, markers or colored pencils. So those are the materials you'll need. Gather those before the webinar and also register for free by going to mitmuseum.mit.edu/VIH. I look forward to building with you. See you then.